English jokes about wives. Why did the American gentleman decide to marry two wives together? Because they wanted to prove that multitasking isn't just for smartphones. An American gentleman told his friend, "I have two wives and they make my life complete." His friend asked, "How's that possible?" He replied, "One cooks well and the other eats very, very well." A man with two wives is like a referee in a game of marriage. He's always blowing the whistle, but no one really knows what's going on. Why did the American gentleman decide to marry two wives who were best friends? Because he thought it would be more efficient to argue with both of them at the same time. An American returned home after spending many years in China. His friends asked, "Hi, Tom. Why you did not marry with a Chinese girl?" Tom replied, "Oh shit. It is better to marry with a donkey instead of marrying a Chinese girl."